Welcome back to Next Gen Luxury Motorhomes. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about names in the RV world, the 2027 Winnebago Motorhome. This latest edition is designed to keep the heritage of Winnebago alive while pushing boundaries in comfort, performance, and modern technology. If you've been searching for a motorhome that blends practicality with luxury, this might be the one that captures your attention. From the outside, the 2027 Winnebago makes a strong impression. Its exterior design is bold, with smooth aerodynamic lines that cut down on wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency on long drives. The paint and decal work are sleek and modern, giving it a stylish appeal without going overboard. One of the standout features of the exterior is the double-deck layout, which instantly makes this motorhome more spacious than many of its competitors. It comes equipped with retractable awnings for outdoor lounging, built-in LED lighting for nighttime visibility, and large panoramic windows that not only enhance the look, but also flood the interior with natural light. There's also plenty of exterior storage, which is crucial for long trips where you don't want to clutter the living space inside. Whether it's outdoor chairs, grills, or travel gear, the Winnebago has compartments designed to handle it all. Stepping inside, you're immediately welcomed by an open-concept layout where the dashboard flows seamlessly into the living area, creating a sense of connection between the driving and lounging spaces. This design choice makes the motorhome feel much larger and more integrated, so even while traveling, passengers can enjoy a unified environment instead of feeling separated from the driver's cabin. The seating in the living area doubles up as both lounge furniture and additional sleeping options, making it flexible for families or guests. Since it's positioned right across from the mini kitchen, the space feels multifunctional, ideal for eating, watching TV, or just enjoying time together on the road. The bedroom area offers what travelers crave the most: comfort and privacy. Depending on the floor plan, you'll find a queen or king-size bed with premium mattresses designed for long, restful nights after days on the road. The clever use of space ensures you still have room for wardrobes, bedside tables, and even a mounted TV for entertainment. The bathroom continues this focus on convenience, offering a full shower, vanity, and ample storage for toiletries. No more cramped RV bathroom experiences. The 2027 Winnebago makes sure you feel at home. Another big talking point is the upstairs deck area, which really sets this motorhome apart. This secondary level can serve multiple purposes: extra sleeping quarters, a lounge space, or even a private entertainment zone. The versatility makes it perfect for families or groups who need additional room without sacrificing comfort. Add in large windows upstairs, and you've got a space that feels open, airy, and unique. When it comes to technology and performance, Winnebago hasn't cut any corners. The 2027 motorhome is built on a robust chassis, ensuring stability and durability even during long hauls. It's powered by a dependable V8 engine that balances power and efficiency. Drivers will appreciate features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and rear-view monitoring systems, which make navigating highways and campgrounds safer and less stressful. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for smoother rides, and sound insulation inside the cabin ensures that road noise is kept to a minimum. This is not just an RV for reaching your destination. It's designed to make the journey itself enjoyable. As far as pricing goes, the 2027 Winnebago motorhome is positioned competitively in the luxury motorhome market. Entry-level trims start around $160,000, making it accessible for those upgrading from smaller RVs, while higher-end configurations with all the premium upgrades can reach up to $220,000. Considering the level of design, comfort, and performance packed into this model, it represents solid value for anyone serious about motorhome travel. What makes this Winnebago especially appealing is how it balances everyday usability with luxury touches. It's versatile enough for a weekend getaway, but also fully capable of supporting extended cross-country trips. Families will love the spaciousness and safety features, while couples and solo travelers will appreciate the convenience and comfort that make life on the road truly feel like home. Overall, the 2027 Winnebago motorhome is a perfect example of why the brand has become a household name in the RV industry. It manages to honor tradition while stepping boldly into the future, combining classic practicality with modern innovation. Whether you're drawn to its exterior presence, its intelligently designed interior, or its dependable performance. This motorhome makes a strong case as one of the best choices available today. If you enjoyed this review of the 2027 Winnebago motorhome and want to keep discovering more of the world's most innovative and luxurious motorhomes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Next Gen Luxury Motorhomes. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews, tours, and deep dives into the vehicles redefining travel and adventure.